Hey everyone, my name is Andrea. I live in North Bay, Ontario, Canada. Um, I've been working as a correctional officer for the last 4 years, and just as I've been in this career, I've realized that there's really not a whole lot of resources out there for first responders. So I am looking to finish my master's of social work and hopefully get into counseling. I decided to I'm excited for this course specifically because um, it talks about organization, like talks about social workers in organizations, and obviously I work in an organization, a correctional facility, but we also do have social workers, rehab officers, addictions counselors working on site. So they're a part of the organization as well, and strive to help the inmates. So I think that this will really benefit me in my line of work right now, and then also um, help me understand more of like the role we all have um, within the system itself. So I'm excited to hear everybody else's like what everybody else is doing for work and what they want to do with their masters.